I've always been afraid of AliExpress. You know, all the chintzy products and being shipped to you directly from overseas. But look at this, $25 for an automatic watch. So I figured this would be my time to test AliExpress. So I went to Ochstin official store. You can see they got a 99% user feedback rating, and here it is. It's an automatic. I mean, it's probably nothing special, obviously, but like I said, it gives me a chance to test the shipping process, the buying process of AliExpress, and maybe I'll get something that is worth $25. Boom. About a month later, this shows up in my mailbox. Now, I've already unpacked it because I wanted to take a peek to make sure it was even worthy of putting on camera. And so here we are. And the box arrived, like I said, right to the mailbox. Didn't have to go to the post office and pick it up. No extra customs or duty fees or anything. And this is a $25 automatic. Not a bad look, right? Oh, the strap is decent too. So the box got kind of crushed a little bit. You can see this corner is torn. But it had bubble wrap around the outside packaging and obviously all the foam in there. So the watch looks like it survived just fine. So first thought, man, this strap is pretty decent. You've got the curved edge there. The holes are done. Nice hardware. I mean, look, this buckle, nice satin stainless steel. And, well, we got stitching instead of adhesive. It's a decent strap. So, I mean, I'm kind of leaning towards that right now, first look, but let's take the wrap off so we can see what the rest of it looks like. Yeah, just that thin layer on. Not bad. Okay, it looks good. So the dial's got a little plastic look to it, but, you know, not too bad from afar. If you get up real close, now the side here, this polished stainless steel it's supposed to be, looks a little wavy, so I'm kind of suspect about that. The crown is kind of plasticky looking, and this is supposed to be brushed stainless steel on the top part where the fixed bezel is, but it's not done very well, so it's kind of hard to tell the difference. Let's move the strap out of the way and see what's going on in the back. Oh, well, I can see immediately that I didn't get my blued screws that were shown on the picture on the website for sale. Now, I got to say, too, this I know I've found this exact same watch with different names on it, so it's probably just a generic, and you can slap your name on it and sell it to anybody kind of watch. That might be the difference between the picture there. It's just a generic looking movement. You see the model number, water resistant to 3 atmospheres, stainless steel watch bottom cover. So maybe not the whole case, or it's just a low grade stainless steel. But anyway, well, not bad. I mean, like I said, $25. I actually got this for $20 with the coupon, so free shipping, free returns. There we go. Got the Wheel of Fortune rotor here. All right. Well, not bad first impressions. Let's see what the crown feels like. Oh, that's kind of stiff. Here's the date. Not bad. A little clicky, but looks like it rotates just fine. Let's see if we got some hand winding. I'm sure we do. Oh, we do. Hand winding. Wow. Okay, now I didn't expect that. Resistance is pretty good. Feels decent. Doesn't feel like a $20 watch. Let's see if we have hacking. Yep. Look at that. It's got hand winding and hacking. Let's see if we're close to the date change. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Right at midnight. Okay, a little wobbly here on the hands. It's a good look on those sword hands. Let's give it a try on. Now today I'm wearing a watch that I found on eBay, not like my previous vintage Seiko video. This is from 1987, 6309 movement, and like I said, much better scenario than the past video. Click on that above and you can see what I'm talking about. But let's give this a shot. I got to set it down here against my, I can't quite, got 8-inch wrists, so I can't like make a loop and put my wrist through there. I've got to do this. Hey, not bad. That looks good. Finish the strap here. Yeah, I like that. So I got a little, the little tab on the top there. It's because I've got it loose. I mean, I could probably tighten it up a little. See, it's loose here. I got my finger in there. If I tighten it up a little bit, I'm sure I could fold that over to where it doesn't stick up like that. But man, it feels really nice. Like I said, I think this strap just might be the star of the show. It's I'm not saying it's worth the whole $20, but if things go south on this watch, at least I know I've got a good strap. It's decent. Well, let me get some measurements for you. So we're looking case width is 42, and the thickness we're looking at 15 millimeters, and our lug to lug, if I can hold it here, yeah, lug to lug is looking like 50 millimeters, and your lug width is 22. Yep, 22 straps. That's why that feels so good. Well, hey, I gotta say, overall, I mean, not bad. My little experiment is pretty successful. Like I said, got the package, no extra fees, right to the mailbox. This is a decent looking watch. This looks like it'd be kind of fun to wear on the weekends and that kind of thing. So my guinea pig is successful. Update. All right, not even an hour after I filmed this, look at this. Now, it's all my fault, though. I smashed it good up against the doorknob. I mean, it's, but I had to include it here because I wondered how long would it take for this to have happened under normal conditions, would it have? If you have this watch, please comment below and let me know how your longevity is. Man, I can't believe it. An hour. Not even an hour. At least I got a good NATO strap out of it.